What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to enable or disable that is Windows 11 network adapter. How do you go about it? Let's get started. You can see, for example, in this case I'm already connected to a network that is PK network. But if in case you want to disable your network adapter, either the Ethernet network adapter or the Wi-Fi network adapter, how do you go about it? So all you need to do is just click this icon and go to the device and search for device manager. And when you go to the device manager, in the device manager you are able to access all the hardware components connected to your PC. For example, in this case you can see I have several that is hardware components. We have the audio inputs and output, we have batteries, cameras, computer, we have disk, we have display, we also have network adapters, we have monitors, we have print queues, processors, security devices, software, everything that is connected to your PC, you'll find it under the device manager. But our point of interest today is the network adapters. For example, in case you are connected to wireless network, that is a Wi-Fi, how can you be able to disable? If, for example, you are connected to Wi-Fi, you don't want your PC to connect to the Wi-Fi, how can you be able to disable the Wi-Fi adapter? How do you go about it? So you just need to select that is the Realtek LTL this network adapter, which is 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi adapter. The moment you just disable this option, you automatically get disconnected to your Wi-Fi. You can see, for example, in this case I'm connected to PK network, that is to PK Wi-Fi network. So in case I disable this device, I will automatically lose my connection, my Wi-Fi connection with this Wi-Fi network. You can see no internet access, no connections available, because I have already disabled this hardware component, which is my Wi-Fi adapter. So how can you to enable it back? So all you need to do is just right click and click enable. Just need to right click and click enable, and it will at the moment you just enable, it will automatically get enabled for that is you can see, for example, in this case action needed. So then it has already detected that there are some networks available, and now the system want me to connect to that is to the network. And in case, for example, you find that your PC does not connect to the Wi-Fi, how can you be able to connect your PC to the Wi-Fi? In case it does not connect, how can you be able to solve that problem? So all you need to do is just click that is Wi-Fi adapter and click update drivers. That is an issue with the drivers. In case the adapters are already installed, it means the problem is with the drivers. So you just need to click search automatic for the drivers. Then you need to search for the updates in the Windows settings, and the system automatically open the Windows setting and seek for that is Wi-Fi drivers, specifically Wi-Fi drivers. And once they are synced and installed, you will connect to the internet. So once they are downloaded and installed, you just need to start your PC and you can go to connect to a Wi-Fi network. In case, for example, that was about wireless network, we also have Ethernet controller. In case, for example, you are connecting your PC to the internet using that is Ethernet cable, we also have an Ethernet adapter. So how can you disable or enable that is the Ethernet adapter? So all you need to do is just right click and select disable. And the moment you just select this, when you disable the Ethernet controllers, even after you connect that is your Ethernet, you connect to your PC with the Ethernet cable, you cannot be able to connect your PC to the internet. So for you, if in case your PC this option is disabled, to enable it back, just right click and select enable device. In case, for example, you are connecting your PC to that is using the Ethernet cable and it's not connected to the internet, and this option is enabled, it means you have an issue with that is the driver. So all you need to do is just connect using the wireless the Wi-Fi network, connect to the Wi-Fi network, then update your Ethernet drivers. So you just need to click update drivers, go to search automatically, then search for that drivers in the Windows settings, and the system automatically sync for those drivers and install them. Once the system has installed those drivers, all you need to do is just restart your PC, and the moment you connect your PC with the Ethernet, you'll actually be able to connect to the internet. That's all I have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe.